So ito na nga ang 2024 New Year's resolution ko. O hindi po ako buntis ha, mukha lang. Madalas na pagkakamalan ako, akala ko nga din buntis ako. But this year, I promise to myself na mas maging healthy at active lifestyle. I exercise at least 15 to 30 minutes a day and drinking of 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Part ng balik-alindog journey ko, healthy foods, pero dapat huwag pa din sa budget. Syempre, budget-friendly dapat at healthy grocery haul muna tayo. At kasama dito ang Century Chunky Corn Tuna. The price of Century Chunky Corn Tuna versus other corn tuna brands, mas mura for only 42 pesos, 180 grams na. Kaya gumawa ako ng easy, healthy, budget-friendly salad with Century Chunky Corn Tuna. It is made with delicious Century quality tuna chunks. It is super packed with omega-3 DHA, low in cholesterol, and has no preservatives. Pagdating sa lasa, masarap! Legit ang chunkiness ng corn tuna. Healthy na, matipid pa, kaya ito na talaga ang favorite ko ngayon.